Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. Today we are going to do an update on a review product that was given to us by Rockwell Farm and Nursery, one of our local nurseries here in Rogers, Arkansas. A few months ago, they gave me some products by Royal Gold to try out in the garden. And this was the very first product called Grow. And I amended this in my soil in my raised beds prior to planting any of my plants. And I'm going to tell you, I do believe this has worked wonderful because I am already seeing lots of growth in my garden. So this is a 3-step collaboration where there's this product, Grow, that I put in my raised beds before I planted. And today, now that things have started to bloom, I'm going to come back and put step 2 in the beds. There is a third step as well that is called Boost. And it's a product that you will put on when after you've been harvesting and the harvesting has slowed down. Then you come back and you put the Boost to kind of boost it up to keep producing. Like maybe your tomatoes are not turning red. That's when the third product you would put it in there and help boost it to make the tomatoes turn red and the bell peppers to finish forming and getting to a good size, for example. So today we are going to put the bloom in all of this area. Now we only use the products in the big area, the fenced in area of the garden. We did not do it in the section that used to be in the greenhouse. We just wanted to see if there was a difference in using the product or not using the product. And I'm going to say these beds are doing fantastic out here. So I'm going to say this Royal Gold product that was given to us by Rockwell Farm and Nursery is working. So Rockwell Farm and Nursery is the sponsor for today's video. So follow along with me as I put this in all these beds. They're all going to get a little handful of this sprinkled in the bed. put any with the carrots. I don't think the carrots are having any issues. Which nothing is having an issue. But the carrots are so full. I will put some with the celery though. I don't know how much more these onions can take. They're pretty big. But I'm going to add some to the beets. Why don't you just walk down there, Maverick? Because I'm not even in there to get the reply. Maybe I will go ahead and do, well, let me get these potatoes down here. Okay, guys, that is going to wrap up our update video on the Royal Gold product that was sponsored by our local nursery, Rockwell Farms and Nursery. Josiah Goss hooked us up with these products, and you guys, if you're in town in Rogers, Arkansas, go check them out. They're on Hudson Road in Rogers. I will link the original video where we talked about all three products and we put the first product in the garden. I will link that in the I will link it down below in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the update.